Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I want to tell you how you can hide your hashtag topics on your Facebook groups. So let's get started. I have made some videos before about Facebook tutorials and I have a Facebook tutorial playlist, but a lot of people has been asking me how you can get rid of the hashtag topics on your Facebook groups. So today's video is going to be about that. And I'm gonna show you how you can hide, because you still cannot get rid of these hashtag topics, but you can hide them, okay? So let's go to my computer now. You're gonna go to your Facebook group and then you're gonna go to the section where it says topics. You click on topics and now you can see the hashtag topics that I have. All of the topics that you had before as regular topics, they were changed to hashtag topics. And what you can do is to click on the three dot on the right of this topic and you can either on pin topic or hide topic. I have selected that I will be showing my group topics list on here. Let me go to discussion and I'm gonna add this one. I'm gonna edit it and I'm gonna add hashtag YouTube videos. I'm gonna click on save. And now I am going to go to topics and I can see all the group topics, YouTube videos. And now I will hide this topic. The topic YouTube videos is now hidden. Okay, now I'm going to go to this drop down right here on group topics and I'm gonna go to hidden and you can see that YouTube videos is there. So this is the way that you can get rid of the unwanted topics that people create on your groups and just mark them as hidden. Now if you want to click on all, you can see that this one is in gray. This is a different type and you can see that it's not going to be available for the group members anymore, okay? And you can unhide this topic as well. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.